401k to Gold IRA Rollover, simple step-by-step guide. Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming. But a 401k to Gold IRA Rollover is one option people consider to protect their savings and diversify their portfolio. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified breakdown of how it works and what to expect. 1. Check your eligibility. First, make sure you qualify for a rollover. This usually applies if you've retired, left your job, or changed employers. Some plans also allow partial rollovers while still employed, but you'll need to confirm with your provider. 2. Understand the rules. The IRS has specific rules about what types of precious metals you can include in a gold IRA. Not all gold qualifies, only certain approved coins and bars that meet purity standards. 3. Start the rollover process. Contact your current 401k provider and request a rollover. The safest method is a direct rollover, where funds are transferred straight to your new account to avoid taxes or penalties. 4. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. You'll need a specialized custodian to manage your Gold IRA. Look for a company with solid experience, transparent fees, and strong customer reviews. 5. Buy approved precious metals. Once your account is funded, you can purchase IRS-approved gold or other metals. These are stored in a secure, approved depository, not at home. 6. Diversify your investment. Don't put everything into gold alone. Many investors balance gold with silver or other assets to reduce risk and improve long-term stability. 7. Monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on your investment. Markets change, and you may want to adjust your holdings over time to stay aligned with your goals. 8. Know the tax benefits. A properly executed 401k to Gold IRA rollover is typically tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw funds during retirement. A 401k to Gold IRA rollover can be a smart way to diversify your retirement savings and hedge against economic uncertainty. By following these steps and staying informed, you can make a more confident and strategic financial decision for your future. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.